Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade a Dell Inspiron 155593 laptop. What you need to do is turn the laptop on the other side. On the left side there's a screw that does not come out, and on the right side there's another screw. These screws all come out, so just remove them as shown here. So what you need to do is just tilt the laptop like this. At the far edge, you need to put like a spudger and work your way across, unclipping it down as well on each side. So here and there. So once that's done, then you can lift it up. The back casing cover will pop out. So this is what I use. This spudger, something similar like this will do the job. As mentioned, you put this in between the edge of the casing cover and just unclip it, and then it just pops out like this. You lift up and you remove, and then as you can see here, the motherboard with all its components. So if you want to remove the battery, so as you can see, you need to remove these screws here, and then there's a cord, battery cord, to just pull it out, and then you just lift it up if you want to replace the battery here. And then over here you've got the memory slot. It takes 2 slots here, DDR4. So look, I'm just gonna show you now how to upgrade it. You just slot it just like this, and then it will clip in, and that's it. So now we move over to the fan. There's 2 screws here. You remove them, and then what you do is you just lift it up. As you can see, there's a lot of dust that accumulates here over time. Just use something like a screwdriver, something pointy, and just gradually just take all that dust out. So this is what I used here. So you just work your way across, removing the dust. Look how much dust I managed to remove from the fan. That's a lot, and that can have a big impact on the overheating if it's blocked. So yeah, always once in a while, just open the laptop and just remove all that dust. Yeah, it's very important to remove all this dust, otherwise you're gonna have problems one day with overheating issues. You can use something like this, a toothbrush as well, just to brush away at the corner bit here at the heatsink, just to remove any excess dust. And then you can brush away at the back of the fan as well if you want to, just like this. So here you've got the 2.5-inch SATA hard drive caddy, and you've got the 4 screws there. So if you want to put a hard drive in there, it's very simple. Here's the hard drive, put it on the back, and you just put that on top. And then as you can see, on these 2 sides there's screws, so you need to screw them in. I'll show you now. So just like this, 2 on each side, so it's mounted securely in. And then what you do now, you just slot it into the SATA connector, just like that. Now, there you go. And don't forget to put the screws into the caddy to secure the hard drive in. So on this side here, you've got M2 SSD module that can be fitted here. 2 screws that need to be removed, and then that casing comes off. You just slot it in. Bear in mind, it only takes an NVMe module